So guys, today I am replacing the charge line on my Duramax because I was trying to do, this piece is actually serviceable, but it wouldn't come off. So what I'm doing is I got the whole new line that runs all the way through here. There's my air box, I have my tray and the air box, and then the tubing I took all off already. I took my headlights out because you can get right through here to it. And then you can see it's like right in here's the end of it, because if you look over here, I don't get my light if I had it on me. It's underneath it. Yeah, so if you look on the other side of this, there's that piece that it connects to. And I got the new line right here, which comes down through there, comes around and goes right through there. So what I'm gonna do is, like you guys will see, I got this AC line right off of Car ID. I think it's like 20 bucks, like 22 or like $25 altogether. Here's the part number. It looks like it comes with basically everything. Well, there's a seal on this end, and there's a seal there, there's a seal in this, and then there should be a seal at the end. So I bought a seal kit this is from AutoZone, just in case I needed them, and always have them because I have ran into it. For example, I was doing this, trying to get this off, put a hole in the line right over here if you can see it, but it was also leaking out of here. I took this off, put the new seal in, and it still leaked. So I always have seals on hand just in case, simple reason like that. This is a factory style and has a little rubber ball that was leaking on me, and I think that's a Schrader. It actually has the little valve in it. Let me get this new line, I'll show you what I mean. So technically you can kind of fix these if you do tires. I don't know if they're the same valve though. Just go to AutoZone and buy a new valve. But right in there's a valve that there's a little seal around them. And if they go bad, you literally just have someone suck everything out of your system, replace that, and recharge it. I mean, they both got them on this one. I like this style better, so I'm not too upset. But I won't be showing you how to charge it because I work at a dealership and I'm going to charge it there. So, but I'm showing you how to replace this line. So take out your air box, take out your headlights. Don't undo. I did this because I didn't know what I needed. My wheel well is folded back, easy access. My horn that is covered in mud and it don't work. So yeah, all you do is all it left to do is unbolt the line and it's out. I mean, there looks like there's it was a clip that it holds on to this piece right here that's unclipped. So looks fairly simple. Unbolt and slides out. So let's get to it. So if you guys could see, I fed it all the way through here. I bent that line straight almost to get it out. The new line, I took the end off so then I can get through. It's a pain. You got to push this inner liner further back and you can wiggle it all the way up. I about got it in. It's a little bit of a pain, but honestly, this line ain't as bad as what people probably think. It takes 8s to get the off. You need a trim tool to pull apart the inner liner. Then it's a whole bunch of 10s, and then your bolts onto the AC is a 13. So like 1/4 inch drive will do it, and some a little bit of extensions. I don't know what links I'm using. But yeah, so I really don't think this is too hard. I'm gonna do another time lapse finishing this up and then show you when it's done. So guys, I was wondering like, why won't this work? See the problem? Yeah, I was having trouble down here where it's rubbing the intercooler, and it's like, man, why is it not working? But if I slip this on, this was also bent during shipping. It worked just fine. It's got to re-bend it back. But yeah, it was tweaked. The line was already. I was like, man, this is weird why this ain't working. But I'm like, man, that bend's a big difference. That's over an inch difference. So I'm gonna take the valve out of this one, swap this O-ring, even though it's a brand new O-ring. So I'll make sure it's a good O-ring, so, and it's the right size. So on time lapse of getting that in, then I'll show you guys when it's finished. Alright guys, so I couldn't use the other line because it's a whole different fitting right here for them. So you got to use this line. This is all tight. 0 out of 10 would recommend it for that part number. It is for like, I don't even know what. It hits everything. I had to bend this just to get it to work. I had to bend everywhere. I mean, there's almost nothing that was right. So if you buy one, go more expensive a little bit, and make sure it fits this, because this is meant for this truck, and I don't know, they didn't have it bent right for this truck at all, and it actually kind of makes me mad that they didn't. So that part number I showed you in this, do not buy. I installed it because I kind of want to see if I can have AC. But I have a feeling that I messed up the fitting right there. I hope it don't leak. The way it looks like it's just a smash fitting, so it shouldn't leak. So I'm going to put the rest of this back together, then get a charge. So guys, I am done. I have it all back together. I did break my headlight. I had to So I got a heat gun, and I got this too far back. It's why it's shoved in so far. That's why the body line's messed up. Well, I guess not really. If that was shoved in more, it wouldn't look as bad. So I ended up breaking them, plastic welded back together with a heat gun and zip tie. It works. So you can see that line runs all the way down through there and is on. So as you can see, that body line should be a little further on that headlight, and it's not. So I don't think I did a bad job for never doing it before. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and keep following for all the builds I do and little repairs.